What the hell is this guy doing? Yo.
That's going on the tube, boys.
Yo, don't start it. Just get out and push it this way. What do you mean? I'm on my own ski. What's up, people? Good morning. As you can see, it's early as heck, but sometimes, man, you gotta wake up really early to get stuff so you don't fall behind, which I'm already behind, but it is what it is. So today I got a kind of a big day. I have to go to Sarasota today, which is about an hour and a half away. I have to do a stage 1 setup up there to a new RXT. Then we gotta get back, and I got a bunch of work, man. I gotta do that ski right there. Has gotta get a carbon seal. These are my good friend Chris Van Note. He just picked these up. We're gonna take them out for a ride, see how they do. And then these are Dennis's skis. I gotta do some boarding ladder stuff, mainly cosmetic stuff to those skis and an exhaust. So today's gonna be a big day, long day. As you saw, it's 4 something. I left the house at 4:30 in the morning today, and I don't expect to be back probably, you know, till like 6 or 7. So these are the times that, you know, unfortunately we got to do this once in a while. So I'm gonna get this air intake made up. I got Vern's ECU being flashed over here, and yeah, we're basically just gonna get the day rolling and see what we come up with. Peace. Gotta drop some gas in this thing. It's pretty empty. I went to West Palm, man, was it yesterday, the day before yesterday? Filled up, went to West Palm, you know, saw my boy Ernesto out there, picked up some motor stuff, and I've been on the same gas since. So this thing gets pretty decent gas mileage, like 20 miles to the gallon. It's not too bad. So gas is super cheap right now. I don't know how cheap it is where you guys are watching from, but let's see where we're at. I'm pretty sure it's like a $1.80. Yeah, $1.79. Yo, drop a comment, let me know how cheap gas is by you. I've seen some states, you know, $1.20, $1.19, so we're not quite down there yet, but I mean, we used to pay like $2.30, you know, $2.80 for it. So
incredible message. That was the biggest surprise. Not only that they took them, but the fact they
I remember when I was a little youngin', I would go with my mom and we would go to like the 98-cent one or like the 97-cent gas station, which is, you know, it's pretty cool. I don't think we'll ever see those prices again, but you know, I did experience that. But yeah, so just filling up this truck so we can head to Sarasota, get some work done, and get back to the shop to get some more work done. So, see you guys later. Finally made it to Sarasota, just got off the highway. I am about 10 minutes out from my customer's house, and I realized that I left my spark plug socket at the freaking shop. So I'm gonna stop real quick somewhere, see if I could get one. But I did creep on my customer's Instagram last night, and he's a car guy, man. He's got like a red GTR and he's done some work to it. So I'm probably gonna assume that he might have a spark plug socket. So my new customer, I'm not gonna mention your name because I haven't checked to see if you even want to be on YouTube, but if you check this video out, I forgot the spark plug socket, man. And if I can't find one right now, I'm hoping you come in clutch and have one for me. So let's see if we can find one. Oh yeah, he gonna have a spark plug socket, pretty sure. All right, so we made it to his house. Guess what? He had a spark plug socket. But look at that beast. That's a bad bitch right there. But I'm here for this. So, got the oil getting drained. This ski is getting a stage 1 setup with a full service. So I'm gonna be doing the spark plugs, the oil filter. I'm gonna be checking over the ski, making sure everything's good on it. Gonna look at the wear ring underneath. And you know, hopefully get out of here within an hour or so, head back to the shop, get some more work done. So I already got the intake set up. I gotta put the fizzle catch can all together, got my tools out, got my computer out, gonna start flashing. So getting a move on, trying to get this thing done quick because I got a lot of work to do at the shop. So let's get to it. All right, the full service is pretty much over with, but I'm gonna go ahead and install the stage 1 setup, which is basically just the air intake and the catch can. A lot of people have been asking me to do this, so this isn't gonna be the official install video, but if you can't figure it out with this video, then you probably shouldn't install it. So yeah, so basically catch cans right here, air intakes here. You have to remove this hose right here. This is where the hose for the catch can is going to connect to, and you have to remove the hose, this 90-degree hose right here that comes off the supercharger. The air intake will replace that tube and that tube alone only. You mount the catch can up in the front of the engine right where this tow hook is. So this will come off, the catch can will mount there, and you use the same hardware that comes with the tow hook to mount. So I'm gonna pull off all these air hoses and clamps off back here and throw that rear intake in real quick so you guys can see. Alright, so that basically is it for the rear air intake install. It's literally one clamp that you use from your stock hose. Choose whatever clamp you want. You got to steal these clamps off of this little hose here. That is what you're going to use to now attach your hose from here to the valve in there to the catch can over here. So now we're going to go ahead and put in the catch can. Alright, that's the catch can install. That is how easy it is to install the Stage 1 kit. Literally takes minutes of your time. It's not a brain smasher, and it gives you what you want for the right price and for the right convenience. So I'm gonna get this ski, flash it up, and clean it up a little bit, put it back together, and we're headed back to the shop. All right, that's all she wrote. Ready to get out of here, but I'm probably gonna hit his plants, and that's what I'm doing. So I gotta go for it. Fucking paragüero. All right, so we're headed back to the shop. Gotta get started on a few skis down there. Hopefully I make it in time. My customers might have to wait a couple minutes before I get there. So yeah, headed to the shop, get some work done. Adam was a cool dude, man. He's gonna have to come down though and bring me his ski so I could knock out a wearing for him, and probably take his intercooler out and get it all serviced up, because you know, if you don't run a catch can on the 300s, more than likely you're gonna have oil inside of your intercooler whenever you do decide to modify it, and that's gonna slow you down quite a bit. So I told him, you know, he's got to come down so I could figure that out, and you know, we'll go for a little ride after that. So we out of here, we're going to the shop. See you guys at the shop. So we made it back. Finally, it's around 9 o'clock. First thing I'm gonna be working on is this RXT right here, getting a carbon seal replacement. This ski was dropped off late yesterday, but obviously couldn't get to it because of the other skis I had yesterday. So we're gonna be doing this today. I got the crane hooked up to it. It's got a real weird like balancing point, so I'm just gonna have it upwards so I could get to work on it. So we're gonna get right to it, get this whole thing taken apart, get the supercharger removed. That way I could get the carbon seal out. I'll check the alignment of the engine before I put the new carbon seal in. And yeah, keep it rolling. I got this one, and then I got Chris's skis. We gotta do 2 services on those, and then hit the shipping store to ship out some stuff. All right, so now with the carbon seal setup completed, I'm gonna go ahead and hit to the package store. I gotta ship a bunch of packages out, got a few ECUs, some intakes, you know, things like that, the regular. And then gotta come back. I believe QJ's coming down from Tampa, gotta reflash his computer. And then from there, we're gonna go ahead and start working on Chris's skis. That way we can get on the water and have some fun. See you guys there. See, this is why I want a car all the time, because everywhere I go, there's these badass cars. That's one of the Drift HQ boys. If you don't know who they are, Drift HQ. They're doing some big stuff. They're getting big, man. I'm very proud of them. But we're headed to go ship out some computers. I got Vern, Jason Frank, and I believe it's Tommy's or Brian's ECU right now, going to the package store with some swag. Got some shirts, some stickers. So yeah, we're gonna get that done. That way those guys could be on the water by the weekend, come back, take care of Chris's stuff. I definitely gotta hit up the parts store though. I'm out of spark plugs, I'm out of all kinds of stuff. So I gotta pick all that up at the parts store and then head back, do Chris's stuff, and then hit the water, man. Haven't been on the water in a couple days. The elusive spark plug tool. I'm working on Chris's ski out here, and guess what? I forgot it again. Just losing it. I'm losing my mind. So, gonna go ahead and get these spark plugs taken out, oil filter taken out, put some oil in there. We'll have some damn fun. So I haven't been having fun. I need to go have fun. Yo, you ready?
No.
Yo, that's my boy Chris.
What's up? Woogie. We're not professional. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't buff out.
All right, we're going to Davis.
Davis?
Yeah.
See you guys.
Peace out. We out of here. Hopefully his skis do well, and I could go home a little early. Woo! Still hot. Yo.
I never checked if they have fuel in them.
There's a gas station right around the corner from Davis.
Okay.
So we could go there.
We should probably check that.
All right. We'll stop there at the gas station.
If we get there and put them in the water and realize they're on E, that'd be a problem.
Yeah. We definitely need gas, so I'll meet you at the gas station.
All
I'm gonna meet you at that gas station right there, alright?
All right, that sounds like a great idea. What are you doing right now?
Hey, here's some crackers. My mouth is dry as fuck.
What are you wearing though?
What? Oh, I got my TV jeans on.
All right. Okay, bye. Yo, so that's my boy Chris. We are basically like childhood friends. We went to I want to say like 6th grade or something forward, you know, through high school. And he's got some damn jet skis now. He's got some jet skis. So I'm excited, man. We have a lot of good times. So hopefully this is just gonna make some more good times. So this is his first time on a ski. So I'm gonna splash the shit out of him. But hopefully he has fun. So we'll see how it goes. Later, bro. Yo, so we're not gonna go to Oasis today. I'm so over that place. Every time you go there, it's like the damn water's like 3-4 foot chop. You can't do nothing there. So we're going back to the river to Davis. Hopefully there's not a bunch of freaking boats there so we could get in and out. I gotta go to my buddy's Marshall's tonight. We gotta hang some fans up. I don't know how to do that, but I mean, I wire jet skis, so why can't I wire a fan, right? So we're gonna try it out. But back to Chris, man. So yeah, I think it was like 5th or 6th grade. You know, we've been good friends since. You know, after high school, you have your damn lives, you know. But every time we get together, it's like we never, you know, like we never separated. You know, that's how good of a friendship we have. But so first set of skis, I'm super pumped. I hope he has a good time so we could, you know, hang out more often, man. You know, it's a good friend of mine. So just a little insight, man. We used to do some crazy stuff, dude. We used to sit in a circle with our friend Jimmy, and we used to just light up fireworks, and like, you know, you're not supposed to move, basically. Like, throw the fireworks in the middle of the circle and you can't move. Whoever moves is a bitch. So that's the type of stuff that me and him would do. We would climb up like real skinny pine trees and like hang off the top of them, and they would like bend down. Like, yo, I'm talking like we're up like 20-30 feet off these pine trees. This is how crazy we were. But you know, we always had a good time, and we, you know, I'm happy we stayed good friends. So we're gonna hit this ramp, get on the water, and have a good time. We'll see how it goes. Right there. Yo, I think you got it there.
Got her?
I think so.
There's a bit of good news.
Don't jinx it. Don't jinx the day.
Nothing but premium for these babies.
Oh, damn.
This is real exciting.
Yo, so I told them our story about the firecrackers.
You too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That was fun. That's bad.
I told them about the pine trees.
Pine trees.
Pine trees was a good time. Yo, we were high up in those pine trees. How high do you think those pine trees are?
25 feet?
Yeah, that's why I said 20-30 feet.
Yeah.
Yo, I got the whole coordinates, like that's all down. I got it. Alright, I'm going to get water. You want water?
Yeah, awesome.
Alright. You want like some fancy water or like water?
I'm basic.
Alright, I'm basic. That's good. That's some good Reese's.
I know, right? That bitch is good.
Are you ready?
Working on it.
I'm rushing him.
I gotta get naked first.
You gotta get naked. Hi. Yo, my channel's monetized, so we get paid for that technically. If you want me to put it on the air.
You get paid for me getting naked?
Yeah. What the hell is this guy doing?
Look, he's doing Austin Powers right there.
Yo.
That's going on the tube, boys.
Yo, don't start it. Just get out and push it this way.
Where are you at?
What do you mean? I'm on my own ski.
Never my life. You turn around and
YouTube live, baby. That's all right.
turn around and left me.
Yo, we're throwing him in the deep end. See how he does.
Bitch on it and then went.
All right. You're stuck on the ramp. Oh shit. My bad for that. All right, there we go. Now go. Hey, we out there.
Doing it now.
Yo, put your key on. Don't fall with that. What happened?
Left me. That's I didn't know what I was doing. I turned the bitch on and it started going.
Yo, why would you turn on a car and drive though?
You can't turn the car on and drive. Why did you let me turn it on? My foot wasn't on the brake.
You didn't have the brakes on?
Nah, bro.
Damn.
Hey, I heard that bitch hit too. I might have cracked the front.
That thing is good.
Huh?
Yo, I heard it go clack and then I looked back. I'm like, oh damn.
Where were you?
You better put some of my stickers on that shit.
I will. Let's put them on.
Peace out, bro. Call me.
Okay.
Woo woo! Woo! All right, as you can see, Chris's skis did fantastic. So I'm headed back to the shop now. Got to meet one customer so he could pick up his ski. It's that carbon seal setup I did this morning, and we're out of here and going home. So I will catch you guys in the next episode, unless I pick the GoPro up and talk again before I leave. So yeah, later.